friends, and good evening. This is Austrian Stacker. I hope you're all doing very well and I hope you're having a great day. I got a lot of mail today I need to unbox, a lot of packages, and I will start with the first package from my brother Sterling Cannabis, aka Canna Cooter. I mean, hell, nobody can pronounce. Who can pronounce this? I will call you Canuta. So my friend Sterling Cannabis, aka Canna Cooter. If you don't know the Silver Cooters, go and check out the channel. I will put a link in the description below. There are a lot of amazing people in, like Lady Sherry Ward and Stacks and Stuff and America, the Silver Patriot, and so on and so on and so on. So a lot of great people have this joint channel, and also Canuta, Canna Cooter, aka Sterling Cannabis, is part of this channel. They do a lot of silver pours and great stuff. Check out the channel, link in the description below. So what do we have here? I have a certificate of authenticity. I got Sterling Cannabis's channel round number 17 for Austrian Stacker. 0.8 ounces of 99 fine silver, 2021, Sterling Cannabis. Thank you so much, brother. I can't wait to take it out. Sorry, my voice is a bit... yeah. Today, so... I just wanted to say somebody stole it out of the envelope, but it's here. Okay. I was shocked. But just for a second, I will just cut this off out and I'll be back in a second. I'll be back. So first of all, look at that. What my friend Sterling Cannabis sent my way. First, his awesome sticker, and this time it's a bit more shiny and than the last time. Again, sorry for my bad voice today. I'm just checking where I've put Sterling Cannabis's last sticker. Where is it on my sticker wall? Silver Gopher, Dutch Silver Pirate, Kevin, Stacks and Stuff, Cash and Coins. Where is Sterling Cannabis on my sticker wall? Help me out, where is Sterling Cannabis? Here! This was his old sticker, this is his new sticker. So let's find a place for Sterling Cannabis's new sticker. I'll put it in between Wild West Stacker and Fish. So, by the way, Fish, my friend, thank you so much for your new set of stickers. To be honest, I managed to delete the Mako video, so I can just show this as the new set of stickers Fish sent my way. Sorry, I cannot show you the Mako video because I was stupid enough to delete it accidentally. Sorry for that. But thank you so much, Fish. So, then what Sterling also sent me is this one. Medicinally Jubilant Cannabis. This is what he's doing for a living, and asked me about BMFS. BMFS is, I think, a disease, so talk to Sterling Cannabis about this. I don't know enough about this, to be honest. So I think he's the much better person to talk to, but what I want to show you is this. Look at that. Wow. see, Sterling Cannabis. That's his antique channel round. Awesome. Thank you, my friend. Together with the certificate of authenticity, I will put this here. And please go and check his awesome channel. And also the Silver Cooters channel. Links are in the description below. So let's continue with this box. I placed 2 orders recently with Austrian Mint. I'm not quite sure, but I think this could be these 2 orders. And as usual, it's almost impossible to get these boxes open because they always pack it very, very, very well. So finally I managed to get it open. What do we have here? A lot of packaging material. And some paperwork, and then they are advertising the Gold Depot. I don't know who would ever do this, but not me. And then the first thing, and the second thing, and what else do we have here? I have no idea, this is all just packing material. Let's remove this. And I think I will take my gloves, because to be honest I have no idea what is inside these packages, so I will take my gloves. So what is this? I love Austria. Wow, I recall this. I was waiting for this. This is an awesome thing. I don't like to cut this open, but I have to, otherwise I cannot show you what is inside, and this is so beautiful. So it is nice. This is a good idea. They should put this on all tubes. So what we've got here is really awesome. This is actually a set of coins, should be 10. And what you have in here is first this beautiful coin. They're all 10 euro coins. And this, I think I will have to move the light a bit. So this is the first coin, Republic of Austria. These are all 10 euro copper coins. I think this is a good way to hold it. So you have here our Emperor Franz Josef, you have Mozart, you have a skier, and then you have Austria consists of 9 states, and you have 1 coin for each state. As said, all 10 euro copper coins. This is Upper Austria, and this is Vienna, You have the St. Giles Church and St. Stephen's Cathedral. Here you have St. Stephen's Cathedral. So this is Vienna. And what do we have here? This is Burgenland. What else do we have here? This is this is Tyrol. Look at that, how beautiful. I started to like copper coins. So this is Tyrol. And then we have, yeah, this is Salzburg. Yeah, city of Mozart. With a beautiful castle. And here we've got Vorarlberg, the smallest state of my country. A lot of mountains, a really beautiful area, and a beautiful lake, and beautiful traditional dresses the women are wearing for special occasions. This is my state. This is Lower Austria, consisting of 4 quarters. I'm actually from this part, what we call the wine quarter. This is the place where the best wine in my country is made. So this is my state, this is Lower Austria. Then we've got, this must be STYRIA, yeah, because there is nothing than apple trees and no, and pumpkins. STYRIA is a beautiful place with mountains, and if you love nature, you will love STYRIA. And the famous capital, Graz. And last but not least, this must be CARINTHIA, if I'm, yeah, right, CARINTHIA. So 1 coin for every state of my country and 1 coin for Austria. That makes it 10 in total. And this comes in this lovely little tube saying, I love Austria. My precious Austria. And the thing is, yeah, again, they sell it face value 10 euros and they sell it for 10 euros. Yeah, so actually, if you take this and go shopping, you can go shopping for 100 euros and you don't lose any money. So then we have something else in here. What is this? Yeah, this is, I introduced to you the Knight's Tale series by Austrian Mint, and I decided also to buy the full series in copper. So these are actually all the 5 coins of the series. Also in copper. Wow, look at that. They're as beautiful in copper as in silver. I'm glad that I also got them, the whole series now in copper. And here we go. So that was package number 1. And I should also put this here because this is the most important thing. Selling cannabis is general. And then I ordered something I really like. I bought the whole Knight's Tales series in proof quality to find out that they also have this beautiful things, which is the whole series in BU quality, but in this beautiful blisters. And look at that. So you have the full Knight's Tales series in this beautiful, look at that, this is so beautiful. I mean, there is nothing to say. They are simply beautiful, and this is why I also bought them in these blisters, because they're awesome. And I needed to have them. So that was it for today. Thank you all so much for watching, and please take care and stay safe and healthy. And thank you, and see you next time. Servus.